Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on today's video I am going to review for you these three different chrome colors or chrome powders from Yayoge, and I do have a 10% off code from Yayoge. I will have that link down in the description bar below as well. I'll scroll it across the bottom of the screen if you guys want to take advantage of these. But check out the packaging. This is how they came, and each one came with their individual sponge applicator. Let's take a closer look at these. Okay, so here are the three colors. I've already loosened up the top of the jar so that wouldn't be so hard for me to open. Let's go ahead and open this blue one. And there it is right there. Gorgeous powder. And I'm gonna just keep it lightly closed. And here's the pink, or actually this is more of a, it's looking to be more like a, I don't know, it could be pink or it could be a lilac. Sometimes they will change depending. Ideally, you will place these over a black gel polish to get that true chrome effect. But you can put them over light colors, you know, and the look, it just totally changes. Or even a clear tips or your nude nails. Isn't that pretty? This one's more of a, has I think if you put this will be a rose gold depending on what color you use as a base. And this one had a little bit of a, I can see when I open it, that wasn't me, that's how it was when I open it, because they're not sealed. This is it. This is, you know, just so you'll know, you can see the color right through the top. So it's a little bit spill right here around the rim of the jar. Now I'm going to go ahead, and when I'm going to test these on my nails, I am going to apply a gel, black gel base. I'm going to do a design. I'm going to use some water decals for my pinky. I'm going to make it my accent with some, probably something gold. So let's have fun with it. Okay, my nails are completely bare now. Since I'm going to only, this is only going to be a temporary application, I am going to apply my Burt's Bees cuticle cream on my nails, my totally bare nails. So for easy removal of the gel without me having to soak off, since again we're just doing this for review purposes. You see me do this before. Now I'm going to apply my gel, and my top black gel that I'm going to use is this one. It's an old one from Pure Joy, a one-step black gel, just to make it easier. Okay guys, now that I have cured my nails, my black base, I'm going to go over with Yayoge's no wipe top coat. And it does have here, it does say at the bottom here, there will cure under an LED lamp in 30 seconds. And I do want to work with one nail at a time, okay? So let's go ahead and apply this. And that the reason you want to work one nail at a time is because you want to apply the powder as soon as this comes out of the lamp while it's still warm, okay, for ideal application of the powder. Now let's cure this for 30 seconds. It's been 30 seconds now, and I'm going to apply my powder. Wow, this lilac is so pretty, purple. Guys, so here are the three colors prior to me applying top coat to finish them up. And take a look at these two. Look at that nice chrome finish without top coat. Yet this one seems to be a little dull. I went ahead and tried another layer of it by putting, you know, again the top coat and applying new powder, but it did the same thing. I don't know what, if it's something that I did differently, or yeah, I mean, So let's go ahead now and apply the top coat on these. Now, you know what, guys? After having applied the top coat, I figure I'm gonna give this slide like another chance. I'm gonna go ahead and put do it on my pinky here, and you're going out of focus. Maybe I'm too close. So let's go ahead and apply the no wipe top coat. Cure that. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, and I can already tell. So it looks like that's this powder. That's how it is. That's just how it is. It seems to give more of a satiny look rather than that mirror chrome, because so it's nothing that I've been doing wrong. There it is again in comparison to the other two. Okay, so let me go ahead and top coat that one. So here's how well they cleaned up, guys. Here's my little alcohol pad. You can see I went around all the cuticles. It cleans up very, very well. And now you can see the difference between these two. This is 2 coats of the powder. This is a single coat over that black. Hopefully you can tell the difference there somewhat, right? And there goes to show, that goes to show you guys that not all of these chrome powders are created equal. So there you see more of a mirror effect on these two, where this one, it's more of a satin finish to it. But nonetheless, it's still a very, very pretty color. Now, that is all I have for you guys. Stay tuned to the end. Maybe I think I'm gonna put some water decals over these or something for a design. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Yayoge for sending me these gorgeous powders to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.